The best car washes tackle everything from road grime and dead bugs to bird droppings that eat away at the paint and metal of your vehicle. Car washes help you preserve your investment and increase its resale value. They save you time and help you feel proud about the vehicle you're driving. A state-of-the-art car wash can be an eye-opening experience. Assorted soaps and waxes clean and pamper every part of the vehicle like never before. This effective yet gentle cleaning power is made possible using the latest car cleaning technology. It starts with welding together the steel frame that travels inside the bay of the car wash, then adding the steel and fiberglass walls. Using a milling machine, a worker then makes the wheels on which the frame travels. The machine first prepares the center hole where the axle goes, then makes a groove in the wheel so it can ride on a track. Before long, a steel blank becomes a finished drive wheel. He then welds the wheel onto a drive shaft. He places the wheel assembly in the bottom of the steel frame and bolts it in place. He then connects a hydraulic motor to the end of the wheel assembly and makes sure it couples together perfectly. Here, a worker puts together the brush assembly that cleans the sides of the vehicle. The brushes are made of a material called Polyflex. It comes cut to various lengths so that it gets into those hard-to-clean places. Polyflex won't trap in dirt particles. It's smooth and very gentle on the vehicle. The finished side brush assembly consists of 7 alternating columns of Polyflex. A worker puts together the pneumatic regulators and gauges that control many aspects of the car wash, including the brush assemblies and the distribution of soaps and waxes. He then bolts the hydraulic pump to the frame. He screws on the system's hydraulic filter, then connects the hydraulic pressure line and makes certain it's secure. The hydraulic power system moves the car wash frame and rotates the brushes, but a computer controls everything. He hooks up the system wires that connect to the computer. The computer makes it possible for the car wash to run without an operator. Workers then install the rack that supports an overhead curtain. A worker attaches a shaft to the rack, then a heavy-duty bearing. When the bearing assembly is in place, he secures the rack to the frame. He tests the rack to make sure its computer-controlled pneumatic cylinders manipulate the overhead curtain correctly. He tests the oscillating high-pressure nozzles. Then he makes sure the wheels move the frame properly. He turns on all the brush assemblies that clean and polish the car and makes sure they spin and oscillate in perfect harmony. The definitive test, of course, is an actual car wash that proves the system works flawlessly and that every part of the vehicle gets the best washing and waxing possible. After a quick drying, this vehicle drives out of the car wash sparkling clean.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.